What if I told you that you could make money while literally doing nothing? No work, no stress, just chill and let your internet do the job. Sounds too good to be true, right? But today, I'm going to show you how HoneyGain can help you earn passive income on autopilot. Stick around because I'll guide you step by step on how to download, set it up, and most importantly, how to use my special promo code for a free bonus. Oh, and if you don't subscribe, I might just start crying, and you don't want to see that. Now let's get this money rolling. Okay, before we jump into downloading, let me quickly explain what HoneyGain is. It's an app that pays you for sharing your internet connection. No, they're not spying on you or hacking your data. Relax. It helps businesses gather web statistics, run content delivery, and perform SEO research. In return, they pay you. Basically, your unused internet is making money for you while you scroll through memes, binge watch Netflix, or even while you sleep. Now tell me, isn't that the easiest side hustle ever? All right, enough talk. Let's set this up in 3 easy steps. And no, you don't need a PhD in rocket science to do this. Step 1, download HoneyGain. Go to honeygain.com or click the link in the description. Click on download and choose your device, Windows, Mac OS, or Android. No iPhones yet, sorry Apple fans. Install the app like you install any other app. If you can install TikTok, you can install this. Step 2, sign up and use my promo code. Now this is important. When you sign up, use my special promo code, MUBARBD453, to get a free $5 bonus. That's right, free money. Who doesn't love that? Just type in my promo code and boom, you're already closer to your first payout. Step 3, start earning. Now just leave the app running in the background and that's it. You'll start earning credits that can be cashed out via PayPal or Bitcoin. The more devices and internet you share, the more you earn. Okay, want to earn even faster? Here are some pro tips. Use multiple devices. Connect HoneyGain on your phone, laptop, and even your grandma's computer. Just don't tell her why. Keep it running. The longer it runs, the more money you make. Don't close it. Refer friends. HoneyGain pays you 10% of whatever your referrals earn. So nicely ask, your friends to sign up. All right, now that I've given you the ultimate lazy money guide, what's stopping you? Go download HoneyGain, use my promo code, and start making money while doing absolutely nothing. Oh, and before you go, I just created a Telegram group where I'll be sharing more money-making tips, hacks, and giveaways. Join now, link in the description, and of course, hit that like button so hard it breaks your screen. Okay, maybe not that hard. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Otherwise, I might just quit YouTube and become a full-time HoneyGain millionaire instead. See you in the next video. Go get that money.